It's 2012, Martin Luther King Day, and me and Zach are just finding some of our new helicopters, and we're just looking on Black and I'm Proud videos. Some black people.
Very nice songs.
This is my helicopter. This is Zach's helicopter.
Over there, the red.
From here on out, we're gonna videotape all of our great moments. This is just one of them.
Yeah. We've had some good historic moments in our past of friendship.
Very, very good moments.
No, we're not gay.
No,
Just
we're
in case
definitely not gay.
new viewers. Got a fine girlfriend, probably finer than your mama. So just look at this helicopter. I mean, look at this.
It lights up.
It lights up.
Yeah,
I mean, oh my God.
Now watch this.
All right, so I'm gonna go down my stairs here. He's gonna stay up there. I'm just gonna film this. Oh, dude. Oh. I think I go. Oh. 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 You good?
One more.
One more? Oh. Ah! All right. Wait. Go. There it is.